Hey there, you with the stars in your eyes. My name is Kiris, and these are your essential 7 cosmic powers for our new week ahead in astrology, beginning Sunday, October 5th through Saturday, October 11th, 2025. Sunday, the Sun's Day, your essential cosmic power number 1 is nothing ventured, nothing gained. There are times in life when taking a risk, taking a chance is an essential cosmic power. We are starting off this Sunday with the moon in Pisces ruled by Jupiter, making a lovely, beautiful water trine flow mutual reception to Jupiter exalted in Cancer. Cancer goes with the moon, Jupiter goes with Pisces. So this water trine flow, which is the feeling, the instinct that you have that yes, you should take a chance, you should take a risk. And in life, when a chance doesn't work out, there is still the lesson to be learned, the wisdom of Jupiter. So if you're feeling it, and this is beautiful, it's very supportive for taking a chance and a risk, go for it as we start off the week. Monday, the moon's day, your essential cosmic power number 2 is to know that one, patience always pays off. And when we are not patient, how does that sabotage potentially great opportunities that are trying to come into your life? We've got the full moon in Aries ruled by Mars. Now, Mars, the lesser malefic, cuts things away, takes things away. Aries is the newborn baby, that stage of development from birth to about 3 years old. Now, a newborn, a baby, they do need immediate gratification. They do need to have their needs fulfilled as soon as possible. But this full moon, which illuminates for us into our consciousness and know where this is taking place specifically in your astrology chart. What do you do when you are impatient? Things aren't happening fast enough. Do you get all fired up and angry like the sign of Aries, and things are taken away because we weren't patient and let everything work out in its own good time? This is a full moon in Aries, highlighting for us the importance of patience and what happens, what do we sabotage when we are not patient. Tuesday, Mars's day, your essential cosmic power number 3 is the power of the word and sound vibration. We have Mercury entering fixed water Scorpio, ruled by Mars. Now, Scorpio is the phoenix rising from the ashes. Scorpio can elevate, renew, rejuvenate something back into flourishment, or Scorpio can destroy and shatter. So when we say something, how we say it, and most importantly, what is the intention, the energy, the emotion, the fixed water Scorpio emotion behind why we are saying what we say? Just know the power of communication and the power of the word that can renew, rejuvenate, or shatter. I've said this so many times. Watch an opera singer shatter glass with their voice, with sound vibration. Wednesday, Mercury's day, your essential cosmic power number 4 is money matters. We now have the moon exalted in Taurus, ruled by Venus. The moon in Taurus is making an opposition to Mars in Scorpio. Now, Taurus is the emotional need for safety, security, to know that the foundation and backup will be there. The moon can be emotional spending, though, and making this opposition to Mars in Scorpio is pay attention to your money matters. Taurus is, this is my money, my resources, my talents and values. Scorpio is merged money, spending, credit card, taxes, debt, how you merge your money with someone or something else. So pay attention to where is your money going? What are you doing with it? Thursday, Jupiter's day, your essential cosmic power number 5 is to be a love pest. We have Saturn retrograde in Pisces at 27 degrees. 27 degrees Pisces is the exaltation degree of Venus. Venus is exalted in Pisces. So think about what it means for you and for someone else when you know that you are loved, when you are going to let someone else know, no matter what, they will be reassured that they are loved, that they were loved by you. Saturn retrograde gives us the tough lesson learned with this exaltation degree of Venus about what it means when we don't feel reassured that we are loved, and when we could let someone else know and be a pest about it, a love pest, that yes, you are loved. You know you're loved, correct? And we make them have no doubt about it. This is the 27 degrees of Pisces, the exaltation degree of Venus. Friday, Venus's day, your essential cosmic power. Number 6 is to find out what captivates and fascinates, holds your attention. What is it that you could just learn about it forever and forever? Now we've got the moon in Gemini now, making a conjunction to the planet Uranus retrograde in Gemini. Gemini is mutable air. It changes. It gets bored easily. It feels like it figures something else. The curiosity has been satisfied, and it goes on to the next thing. It's like a jack of all trades, master of none. So with this moon conjunct the planet Uranus, which can be a sudden and abrupt change, unsettling, find out, be curious enough, like a Gemini, to find out and discover what is it that you love so much that you could just stick with it. It holds your attention. There's always something more to learn. This is a power, a cosmic power, to master something, to do it and learn about it eternally, again and again. Saturday, Saturn's day, our essential cosmic power, number 7, is to listen, to just listen. What a gift it is when someone needs to be heard. They need to be witnessed, which is listening. And instead of figuring out the problem for them, trying to solve the problem for them, giving them a list of 10 fast and easy ways to fix the problem, we just listen. We let them be heard. Now, what a great gift this is, because one, we are robbing someone or stealing from someone, not intentionally, when we don't just allow the person to air out, to get something off their chest. And when we allow the person to figure it out for themselves, knowing, perhaps reassuring, you'll figure it out, all will be well. Sometimes a person needs to go through the experience of learning and figuring out for themselves. Now, does this mean not help people when and if you can? Of course not. But sometimes we're giving the greatest gift when we just listen. We know it all, they'll be okay. We don't try to solve it. They just want to be heard and witnessed. And think about it, what a gift that is for you. When you just want to be heard and someone just listens, they're not trying to solve it. You've got to figure it out and go through the experience for yourself. So these are our 7 essential cosmic powers for the new week ahead. I also have my weekly Voice of Astrology podcast. It's everywhere with bonus, more astrological information. Just type in Voice of Astrology into your search engine. The podcast will be there. Thank you, everyone. Have a fabulous week. Happy full moon in Aries. Here's to patience. Thank you. I will see you all in the stars.